Guys, we are here in my master bathroom and I am about to show you how I feed my lemon tree. I am getting ready to head out the door to work, but this guy is way overdue for his next feeding. I'm going to show you. I use the Espoma Organic Citrus Tone. I'm going to post a picture and a link. I'll keep that in the description, the link to the Espoma products. This is a potted lemon tree that I just brought in for the winter recently. That's why it's in my bathroom now, because our overnight temps are starting to drop, and it could go a lot longer, but we have a busy season coming up, and I'm afraid that if I didn't bring it in when I had the chance, that I would forget and the overnight temps would dip before I had a chance to get it in here. So that's why I brought it in early this year. I measured out the right amount. I put it in some water just to help it speed up the breakdown process. You don't have to do it that way. You can sprinkle it on the soil and water it in, but this guy really, really, really needed a feeding. So that's why I'm doing it this way. So that's how I do my lemon tree fertilization. I'm way behind schedule, as with everything in life right now. We're just in a very hectic season right at this moment in our lives. And I was going to show you a pea plant update. That was another thing we needed to get done this weekend that did not happen. They are not in the ground yet, and I've got class tonight, so I'm hoping tomorrow after work, or if I get up early enough tomorrow morning, hopefully I can get them in the ground and bring you guys along to see that finally happen. And I'll show you a shot of my brassicas that have been waiting to go in the ground for over a month, and they are really not happy with life right now, so I've got to get this done. That just is what it is. I still have to clean a space in the garden first. I don't even have a place to put these yet. So that is what has taken me so long. I will find a spot, get it cleaned up, and bring you guys along to watch that whole process. But in the meantime, here are our peas that we started on September 1st. And we put them in these styrofoam cups on September 11th. And they need to get in the ground very quickly. The reason why we use the styrofoam cups is because I can easily cut around this cup to remove it whenever I'm putting them in the ground, and you'll see that process soon. Pea plants, like all beans, they do not like to have their roots disturbed, so that's why we're doing it this way. So I hope that makes sense. Remember, I've got complete grow guides on the website, secondmilejourney.com, and I will have links in the description. I hope you have a great day and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.